guys, it's a girl Nick here. Guys, today is just not a good day for me or the hubby. Sorry. Hubby right now is in the emergency room. He got some bad hemorrhoid. His hemorrhoid is like on the attack, and I had to drop him to the emergency room. 1 second, guys. Nuggets, right? I'm gonna stop getting some food for Yuri right now. Yes, so I stopped to order food for Yuri right now. Dropped hubby at the emergency room. They told me that I couldn't wait in there. I would have to wait in my car because they have a lot of COVID patients in that area, and it's not safe. So I went in the car to wait, and they called me and told me that he probably wouldn't be ready until 2 to 3 hours. So I had to leave, and hold on 1 second, guys, just bear with me. I'm getting food for my baby. So we ended up leaving, and I went to go grab something to eat. On top of all of that, I'm sick. I'm not feeling good. A friend of ours, Laverne, she just called to check on hubby because she's seen in the post that he was in the hospital. He's also sick on top of dealing with the hemorrhoid issue, and I'm sick. Yuri's sick, but Yuri looks like he's on the verge of being better. Right now I'm getting something for us to eat. I stopped at Smoothie King to get a smoothie. I don't have an appetite, really. I don't have taste. I can't really taste anything. I can barely taste. I can barely smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go get tested right now. I'm gonna pull up. There's a friend of ours, a family friend, Laverne. She told me about a spot where I can go. So I'm just gonna head over there now while hubby's in the emergency room and just get that, just to check up and make sure everything is okay and that's not COVID. And hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, it's not COVID. But yes, guys, so this is what I'm dealing with today. I have to be taking care of myself, the hubby, and my son, and I need somebody to take care of me right now. But God has everything in control. He has everything under control. God knows best, and I'm just gonna leave everything into his hands. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me give you some sanitizer, okay? Hold on, I think I'm gonna pull over so we can get us something to eat. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna pull over so we can get a bite to eat because what's going on out here? Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, so it's been a pretty rough day for us. I've been sick since Friday. Today is Monday. I first started feeling the symptoms on Friday. And it started with this I woke up with aches and pains in my legs. And here's some sanitizer, Yuri. Aches and pains in my legs. And then it started off, after that, it was like my body just felt kind of fatigued and drained. And it's just been crazy. I've been in and out. I don't have a fever. I don't have a fever. I never had a fever. But my body gets into these little intervals of getting really hot, and then I'm feeling really cold. I don't know if that's chills. You guys, please excuse my look, my appearance. I'm going through it right now, okay? And yeah, so I just stopped at McDonald's. I know that's not the best thing for my son to eat right now, but to be honest, it's gonna have to do because, boy, I'm telling you, it is so rough. I don't have the energy. I don't feel like myself. I don't feel like you know, when you have a cold or a flu, you know, it just makes you feel so, it just makes you feel so yucky. And that's exactly how I feel right now. So I'm about to go ahead, eat some food, and then I'm going to go over there and I'm going to get tested and see. What's going on with that. And yeah, guys, so I don't even know why all of this is just coming down on us all at once, but you know, when you're sick or you're in a hard place or you're down and out, boy, you really know who's there for you and who's not. Man, thank you to all the people that text me, reached out, checked on me. Thank you guys so much. You guys don't understand how much I appreciate it. Just to know that I have people that do care about me and, you know, care about hubby also. But guys, man, let me tell you, you guys, this is no joke, okay? And now I'm supposed to be back to school shopping for the kids. I can't even do that. I can't go nowhere. I don't even have the energy to do anything at all. I cannot. I don't even know what's going to happen next week when they start school, because they start school I believe it's next Monday. And I'm just like, oh, how is he going to start school? He's sick right now, trying to get over this cold or whatever we got going on. And it's just really, really scary, especially down here in Houston or Texas or whatever. They're not making masks mandatory. They're opening schools. And I'm just like, this thing is just getting out of control. I don't know what to do. I don't feel comfortable sending my child to school. I just don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm going to try my best to eat something so I can have a little bit of energy so I can do what I have to do. Because right now I have to be strong for hubby. I have to be strong for him. Because he is going through it, okay? So I'm just going to try to see if I can eat some food. And then I will keep you guys posted once I get to the testing site. I'll see if I can record it for you guys. If I can't, then you guys already know how that goes. You just swab your nose and whatever. So, yeah, you guys just stay tuned.
Wagwan. Jano. Just not too long wake up. I couldn't know Wagwan for a long time, but me not pain, brother. Can't do nothing. Can't bad up nobody. If I be a ball, me a ball, and I cry, and a ball. You know what I mean? Hemorrhoids problem me have. They are from about 12 o'clock still. I don't know if they might cut it out or what. Them run blood work and they call it CAT scan.
Alright, guys, so I'm here. I'm at the tent, at the testing site. I pulled up underneath the tent, so I'm just waiting for someone to come out to give me further notice on what I need to do. So for now, I'm just waiting. And yeah, I'll just keep you guys posted. I'm starting to get a headache, y'all. I'm starting to feel a slight little headache. I hope this thing don't go all the way up in my daggone nose. I've never got tested before. This is my first time getting tested, so y'all stay tuned. So guys, I just did the test. That was not fun at all. Like, ooh, I don't know. It just was weird.
For me, it hurt.
The feeling was super weird. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. They said that we should be getting our results back in 24 hours. But well, tomorrow by 11 p.m. I should be getting an email. So I just have to stay put until then. I'm heading home right now because I haven't heard back from hubby. I don't think he's ready yet. So I'm heading home. Yuri has to use the bathroom. Yuri did a test also. Tell him what it was like for you, Yuri.
It was weird and it hurt.
It was weird and it hurt? Yeah. So we're headed home. Hopefully hubby will be ready soon. And I hope they take him out of his misery because he is in a lot of pain. And he's sick on top of all of this. It's just so much. And I think I did the right thing by going to get tested to make sure. I mean, this seems like a cold, but you know, you can never be too sure. Everybody experiences symptoms differently. Right now I just feel super like weak, like I just need to go lay down. So that's really about it. I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, I look sick. So I'll keep you guys posted once I hear any news for hubby. Once they call me and I hear anything, I'll let you guys know what's going on. But until then, we're just gonna go home and just try to relax for a little bit. I'm pretty sure he's gonna call me soon with some updates. And yeah, you guys just stay tuned, and you guys be careful out there. Please wear your mask. I wear my mask. So I really got sick from hubby, to be honest. He started with a cough first, and then of course, you know, I got sick after, and then Yuri got sick after me. So it's just like a cycle, you know. But you guys just stay tuned. Drop some prayers in the comment section below for us, please. I will keep you guys posted on my results when I get them tomorrow. So yeah, just stay tuned and pray for us, and we're just gonna do our best to try to get through these hard times right now. That's all we can do at this point. And I'm praying for hubby that they find some type of resolution to his pain and the misery he's going through with his hemorrhoids. So yeah, you guys just stay tuned. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, just stay tuned, guys.
Yeah. Start the video, but I get a call, so. I said the thing on the hemorrhoids, brother, aka pile. Jamaican people call it pile. The wickedest blood clotting for hurt. Yeah, man, real talk, man. Yeah, I never feel so much pain yet. A 2 surgery, I do already. Through accident. Knee, foot, yeah. And yeah, so. Yo, brother, the wickedest pain me ever feel yet from me born. Yeah, man. Me a dance, me a wiggle, me a whine, me a no linger, me a everything. Yo, but a real talk, virgin, a thing terrible. You fuck the pain. So them give me some all my drip bread, done everything, but I don't know. Me there from 12 o'clock. I get pain and something, so I get one joke kinda ease the pain a little bit. So I drop asleep because I couldn't sleep last night. Just wake up and now the pain kinda yeah, I mean I take time like it come back, so I don't know. If they forgot me in my room, so in one place or one part. Cause I come after them dig it out, cut it out, burn it out, anything out, brother. I Me no want it, man. Me no want it. Me think I get away. I bury me one bury this. Nobody find this. So I just say go. That's why I want to. That's I mean give thanks. And say thanks and all kind of from all of the people who reach out to me. You know what I mean? And who are comment on my little video. Yeah man, a real talk. They are still go me I go do. I go hold next sleep before the pain come back in. I may have to do the little video before the pain come in, because when the pain come in, you know. And that's me and pain, you know. Hard about, you know. Yeah. So big up on the damn self, man.
So guys, I'm on my way to pick up hubby. He called and said that he'll be ready in 30 minutes. So I just went ahead and just got dressed. I grabbed Yuri. He's right over there, guys, where you see it says emergency. Yes, that's where he is. So I'm heading there to get him. We might have to stop to get him his prescription and stuff. He said that he had prescriptions. Kind of been in a little bit of traffic. Okay, what was the point of you doing that? Okay, but anyways, yeah. So after I got tested today, whatever, I went home, went and laid down. I could not fall asleep. I can't sleep for some reason. So I guess it's just a lot on my mind right now. I've had a couple friends call and check in on me. Like I said, thank you so much, Laverne. You always show us love and support. And thank you for telling me about the place where I can go get tested. So I did that. Aldi, shout out to you. You called me, girl, and checked up on us. Cherry checked up on us. Guys, I can't taste anything or smell anything. And it's very weird. Like, I don't like it. I'm really trying to pump myself up because I just feel like, ugh, I feel so disgusting. I just don't feel like myself. And yeah, I'm over it. I'm over it at this point, but I have to just ride it out. I'm gonna see if I can get some Theraflu when I get to the pharmacist, and I'm gonna also see if I can get something to make me sleep, because I'm not sleeping, and that's frustrating. On top of me being sick and not getting enough rest, it's making me groggy. I'm tired. Oh guys, and not to mention my cycle decides that it wants to come. Like, I feel it coming, and I'm just like, what more can this poor little body take? You know, it's just really hard, man. But guys, we're hanging in there. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for the ones that checked on us and, you know, keep calling and sending their texts and support and stuff. We really appreciate. Oh my god, guys, look at this right here. It's an accident. Look at that. Accident. Look. All up on the curve. Look at this. Oh my goodness, God. Oh, hope I make it home safe, man. Jeez, it's just so much going on. Oh, my friend George. I can't forget the bestie, Charlene. George, my bestie, my boy bestie, called me, checked on me. Charlene, of course, you know, that's my girl. She checked on me. But yeah, guys, I'm just really trying to cheer myself up, because I don't even want you guys don't even, if I was supposed to just act like how I feel, it wouldn't be pretty, okay? But yeah, we're just gonna go pick up hubby right now, go back home. It's like, you know, when you want to eat something but you don't have no appetite and then you can't taste anything, it sucks. So all I had was that little Chick-fil-A sandwich and my smoothie. When I sip the smoothie, I can taste a little, like, I can taste that I know that it's sweet, but I can't taste the banana or the strawberry flavor in it. I'm like, it's kind of weird. It just, my mouth has like a nasty taste, but it doesn't taste like nothing. That's what makes it feel, ugh, it's just nasty. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm just gonna pick up hubby. I'll get back with you guys once I pick up hubby. Let's see what happened while he was in the emergency room. So y'all stay tuned.